Getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers is one of the most important things which you actually need to take into consideration as an affiliate marketer or CPA marketer. And in this video, I'm going to give you a complete guide on how you could get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And these particular strategies, which I'm going to be revealing to you in this video, are actually cool strategies I do use to go on to making money on CPA marketing. So if you want to just simply learn such strategies, make sure you do watch the video to the end, because even if you are not a beginner in CPA marketing, you can actually grab hold of something that you don't know about before in this particular video right here. So guys, without much delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. But before we do that, guys, you may actually want to go on to subscribing to my channel right there, which is called OJ Marketing. If you do subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release some amazing videos that could be useful in boosting your income online. So guys, jumping right back into this video, guys, the first thing which you want to do is to make sure you're actually registered for a CPA marketing platform. You can actually create an account on CPA Grip right here. You could also use other CPA marketing platform like the OG Ads, but you can take note that the OG Ads is an all-in-one content locking platform. It's mainly focused on content locking, so you can actually take advantage of this or other CPA marketing platforms out there like CPA Build, CPA Lead, Max Bounty, and the others right now. So if I'm actually using the CPA Grip and I go on to logging into my account right here, you can actually see that I'm actually gaining access to offers. I can go on to promoting right here. These are actually all offers available to the United States demographic. You can actually go on to filtering your offers to actually get offers from any demographic of your choice, maybe the country to which you reside in. You can select offers from that particular country and go on to promoting that right now. And you want to then just simply promote a very cool offer, maybe a kind of gift card giveaway offer right now. As you can see right here, this offer right now is actually going to go on to giving you about $2,500 in cash right here. So this is actually a giveaway for $2,500 in cash. If you do keep on scrolling through, you actually see more kind of cool gift card or giveaway offer. This one right here is actually a giveaway for $10,000 right now, and the payout to this offer is quite handsome. It's going to give you about $2.22 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. It's an Android offer, also an email and zip submit offer. So you can actually do keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see lots and lots of offers you can actually do take advantage of to go on to making some cool cash online. So supposing I want to promote this offer right now, but this one right here is an Apple iOS offer, an email and zip submit offer. This is a payout $2.22 right here. So to get access to this right here, you want to just simply copy the link, and the most important step in promoting this particular offer is going on to creating a landing page. You can actually go on to utilizing this platform right here, which is called the Google site, because it's actually a very cool platform you could use to create a simple landing page. It's absolutely free. All you need to do is to head on to the Google site, and if you already have an account on Google, you can actually gain access to that for absolutely free. So what you want to do right now is to click on this blank icon. If you do click on this blank icon right here, it's going to bring you to a page such as this. And what I'm going to do right now is to actually come right here to this section and delete this entire section. So once I do delete this, I'm going to go on to adding in a text box, and I'm actually going to go on to copying this particular title for my CPA marketing offer. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to my landing page, paste in that right here, highlight that, make that bold, and also going to change in the font color. So once that has actually been changed, I'm going to increase the font size to something like 24 right now to make that big, and I'm going to go on to centralizing this right here. So once I do centralize this right now, you can see how it actually looks like. The next thing which I want to do right now is to actually get a very cool image which I can actually use that is going to get a lot of people's attention right now. So for me to do that right here, I can actually go onto platforms like Google. So if I do go onto Google right now and I search for something like money, so if I do search for money right here, I'm going to go into the image section to actually go into seeing lots of cool images about money right now, and I just want to go to selecting one cool image that I can actually go on to using to promote my offer. So supposing I do select this image right now, all I have to do right here is to right click on the image and click on save image right here. So if I save image on my device right now, the image will actually be downloaded on my device. As you can see, this is actually a JPG file. Once that has actually been downloaded, I'm going to head onto the platform like Canva right here, and then on Canva I'm just going to upload a particular video and go on to editing it. So guys, right here on Canva right here, what I'm going to do is to actually come right here, and I'm just going to come to this text section, and I want to just simply add in a cool text. You can add in something that actually glows. So right now I'm just going to select this glow right now, and if I just select this right here guys, as you can see, this has actually been added. What I'm going to do is to just simply go on to reducing the size, and once I do reduce the size right here guys, I can actually go on to stretching this right here, and I'm just going to edit this to actually fit into the theme of the offer which we're going to promote right here. And that offer right here is something related to making money right here, like enter for $10,000 right now. I can actually use something similar to that right there. So you can actually see how it looks like. Enter for a chance to win $10,000 right now. And once I do this right here, maybe I can go on to changing the font color right now. If I highlight this, I could actually go on to changing that to something looking greenish right here, and you can actually see how this is going to look like. So you can leave this as it is, or you can actually go on to changing it or selecting something very cool right now, maybe a very cool color. So once this has actually been added, what I'm going to do next is head on to the element section, and I want to just simply go into searching for something like button. And if I just search for button right here, as you can see, there are a lot of buttons which you could actually go into using from this graphic section, and you want to just simply select one cool one right here. If you're not actually using a pro version of Canva, you want to just simply select one without this crown icon. So I'm going to select this right now, and if I just select this, what I'm going to do next is to actually stretch this to the ending section. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is to actually head onto the text section, and I want to just simply go on to adding a simple text right now. So I'm just going to remove this, adding a text right here, and once I do actually go on to adding in a simple text right now, I'm just going to drag this to this particular section and add in a simple text like this. So take a look at this right here guys. This is how it's actually going to go on to looking like. So you want to just simply edit this right here to look quite cool like this, and once you actually do this, you can actually go on to clicking on download and download this particular image for absolutely free right now, just by using this particular platform. So once you do download this image, the next thing which you want to do right now is to go on to uploading this image and using it for this platform right here, which is called your Google site right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually click on images. I'm going to click on upload and upload that image from my device. As you can see, this is the image right here. Once the image has actually been uploaded, what I'm going to do is to actually try as much as possible to make that quite bigger, centralize the image, as you can actually see right here. So once this is actually done right now, the next thing which you want to do is to actually go on to linking this image to your CPA marketing offer. So if I do click on the image, I'm going to click on this link icon, and I'm going to go onto my CPA marketing offer, copy the link, head back to that particular landing page and paste in that particular link right here. If I do click on apply, that has actually been applied. The next thing which you want to do, maybe you can actually link this particular text, that CPA marketing offer. I'm going to also do that right here and click on apply, so that once anyone actually clicks on any section right here of this particular page, it's automatically going to take them to my CPA marketing offer. So once this has actually been done guys, we then want to actually go on to publishing this page. So if I do click on publish, I'm going to select a domain right here. So if I do select something like this which says Frenzy Gift, this is actually available. I'm going to click on publish, and right now here's the link to my CPA landing page. So if I copy the link, I can try as much as possible to get traffic to this. And to get traffic to this guys, all you need to do is to actually head on to Google, search for Reddit giveaway. If you do search for Reddit giveaway right now, you'll be able to see a lot of Reddit groups which you can actually take advantage of. Supposing I actually do click on this first one right here, it's actually going to redirect me to the Reddit giveaway subreddit, and you can actually go on to utilizing this right now to actually go on to getting a lot of traffic right here. As you can see, a lot of people are actually promoting gift cards right now on this particular platform, so you can actually use that to your advantage. As you can see, the more recent groups right here, which is actually the Reddit giveaway. You can see right here some other groups right now which has actually some Reddit groups, so you can actually come right here, take advantage of that right now, and you can actually go on to promoting that on this platform. So supposing I actually go back right now, you'll be able to see other Reddit related giveaway groups right here. This is actually for sweepstakes right here. actually sweepstake offers. You can actually do see some cool and amazing sweepstake offers which you can actually take advantage of. All you need to do is to actually come right here, click on create a post, sign up to this platform, and actually go on to writing a simple post right here. So this is a platform you can utilize. Another platform which you want to utilize is Quora, and if you head on to Google and search for Quora giveaway, you'll be able to see a lot of giveaway questions right here on Quora which you could go on to providing answers to. So if I do come right here, click on this particular one right now, it's actually going to take me to Quora, and you can actually do see someone asking a question related to giveaway. It says, this is actually a ChatGPT prompt right now, so you can actually go keep on scrolling through, and you can actually go on to searching for people asking for stuff related to giveaway. This question right here is, what is giveaway? So this, you can take a note of this question right here which says, what are some good giveaway sites? So if I do click on this right here, this can actually be a cool advantage for me to go on to promoting my offer by answering this question right here. And you want to provide a cool answer, and your answer could be like this, which says, I have found this giveaway website that I have already applied for. Maybe you would find it useful too. And you want to then just simply provide your link to that particular landing page right there. You could actually drop in your link down at the bottom right there and actually go on to promoting that. So use this right here to actually get a lot of traffic to your giveaway landing page right there. So guys, maybe if you want to just simply use a different kind of landing page instead of this one right here, you may actually want to utilize this platform which is actually called the webflow.com, because with webflow.com you can go on to creating cool and professional landing pages right here. So the landing pages on this platform can actually be cool and professional, and you can create that easily on this particular platform. So take an advantage of that. You could also head on to platforms like Instagram right here. If I do come onto Instagram search section and I go into searching for this which says hashtag giveaway, if I do search for hashtag giveaway, you'll be able to go into selecting one of these, and you'll be able to see a lot of giveaway posts or giveaway subreddit giveaway post right here that a lot of people are actually interested in. So guys, you can actually do see that a lot of things right here are actually related to giveaway. All you need to do right here is to actually select one of these posts. You want to select the people that actually do like this post. You want to go on to seeing them, and what you need to do is to actually go on to selecting their account right here, where you can actually go on to messaging these particular persons. And in messaging them, all you actually need to do is to actually go on to drafting out a very cool post right now, just like the one we actually did use right here on this particular platform called Reddit or Quora right here. So you want to just simply use something similar right there and actually get traffic to that. You could also go on to utilizing other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and get a lot of traffic to go on to using that to promote that CPA marketing offers. So basically you want to just simply target giveaway groups right here. That is if you are actually selecting a kind of sweepstake offer like I did right here, and use that to drive a lot of traffic and make a lot of money online. So if the video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.